Hi everyone, I am Gabriel from 12 Science 5. In this video, I will give a little tutorial how to make a miniature of waterfall. So, go to the video, let's go! Tools and materials is styrofoam, cutter, pencil and pen, rocks, cotton, scissors, flower toy, and hot glue. Activity step. For the first step, first make a pattern using a pencil and then thicken it with a pen. I will speed up this video a lot for a while so you don't get bored. Thank you. The next step, use the cutter to cut the pattern that has been made. Be careful. The third step, prepare the rocks and hot glue and wait until it's hot. When the glue is hot, you can cover the stone in one part with that glue. And paste the stones according to the pattern form. Do it over and over until it piles up. The next step is to prepare duct tape to make the waterfall pot. Stick it in the pile of stones. Then use hot glue to make water shapes. Be careful. To make it more realistic, use cotton to make the water wave part. Stick it using hot glue. Tada! The water from the top is done. And then use toys to add to the atmosphere of the waterfall. Stick again with hot glue. The last step is a bit boring, which is to make puddles of water with hot glue so that it fills the waterfall. And for the result, tada! The miniature waterfall is finished. I hope this video helps. Thank you.